Today I am going to discuss about the Joint Parliament Committee. What is Joint Parliament Committee? How it is relevant? What is its functions? And what is its importance? A questions come in the mind of a law students and the legal fraternity, those who are in practicing lawyers, basically young lawyers. Recently, when Waqf Amendment Bill was placed before the Parliament, there was oppositions from the society at large and opposition by the who are in opposition by members of Parliament, and finally the Waqf Act bill was sent to the Joint Parliament Committee. So what is Joint Parliament Committee? Whether there is any provision or any articles as such which specifically says about the Joint Parliament Committee, since in the Constitution there is no any such article that mention about the specifically mentioning about the Joint Parliament Committee. However, our Constitution provides a broad framework under which parliamentary committees, including joint parliamentary, can be constituted. The most relevant factor is why joint parliament committees is important, because joint parliamentary committees was by the members of the parliament, and these members of parliament who are either in power or oppositions, having special privileges and special immunities provided by the constitutions, and as a result the importance of the Joint Parliament Committee becomes more and more for the public at large, because a member of parliament having freedom of speech in the parliament and having immunity from any proceeding in any courts, and whatever's done by the member of parliament, he is immune from any proceeding of the courts, and parliamentary who are in the Joint Parliamentary Committee, those members of parliaments can investigate any issue, can discuss freely any issue. As a result, the findings given by the Joint Parliamentary Committee or any report made by the Joint Parliamentary becomes more relevant for the public at large. It was once discussed there occasionally when such issues arises at large in public, and in the past also many times Joint Parliamentary Committee were constituted, and how it is relevant. It was discussed once in the case of Standard Chartered Bank versus ABFCLs by Bombay High Courts, where Honorable Bombay High Courts has established that a report of the member of Parliament Committee having a evidentiary value, and it is a public document. So as a result, right now, if any findings, any report prepared by joint JPC or Joint Parliamentary, it becomes more relevant. And as a result, that was the reason that opposition has demanded and JPC was constituted. So I feel that's however, it is a very small chapter of small topics. It will be helpful to the law students and my younger lawyers. Thank you.